Hello, it's Mr. Raya, and today I'm going to show you how to do a couple things in Google Documents, specifically Google Drawing. First thing you want to do is log into Google, and after you've logged into Google, you're going to click on this 9-grid square, click on Drive. Then I'm going to create a drawing, and then I'm going to name my drawing. I do that by clicking up here in the top left-hand corner. Make sure you name the drawing specifically to what your teacher is looking for. I always name my drawings and my documents with the period and the year and my last name, as well as an abbreviation. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to change the background by right-clicking on the document. You can choose many different colors. I like white. And then you're going to start creating. The first thing that I like to do is I like to click on View and then Snap to Grid. What that does, when I've chosen Snap to Grid, what that does is if I'm going to draw a line, which is right here, I'm able to draw a nice straight line, which is always a problem. Here's my line. And one of the other things I can do is I can draw many different shapes. Here's an arrow. Notice that it's snapping to the grid. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. Go to Insert, and I don't choose Text Box. I choose Word Art. I can choose many different things for Word Art. So this is I think you can start typing things. Once I've typed some things, I can change the font, and there's lots of different font choices in here. I can stretch my font, and I can toggle with the interior color, the fill color. I can also change the line color. I can also change the line thickness, the outline thickness, to something bigger. And this I can do for almost all of my objects. The next thing that I can do is I can stretch my objects. If I want to constrain the proportions, I make sure that I grab the corner of the object. If I want to stretch it, just grab one of the center boxes and I can stretch my object. I can also rotate the object by clicking on this little circle here. Last thing that I might want to do is I might want to add an image. So I click on Insert, click on Image, and I choose an image to upload. Make sure that you've saved your image in a place that's easily identifiable. If you're on a Mac, if you know what the name is, you can just type that name of the image and then insert it. Again, constraining the proportions of the object, make sure that I grab the corner, otherwise it'll stretch out. Some things that are helpful in Google Documents, as well as just navigating around a computer in general, are the shortcut keys for copying and paste. For Apple, make sure that you're using the Command button and you're holding it down while you're pressing Command C to copy, and then if you want to paste it, press Command, hold it down, and press V. Let's try that here. Command C, Command V. Command C, Command V. And then I can move these objects around. Something else that's important is placing the order of the objects on the page. Let's say I wanted to move my Colt head up or down. I press Command and I hold down Shift, and then I use the up and down arrow. So let's try that right here. Let's say I wanted this on top. Command Shift and then up. Or let's say I wanted it on the bottom. Command Shift and then down. Once I've toggled with my drawing and I'm satisfied with the way things look, I'm going to click on File, and then I'm going to export it to the desktop or download it. I usually download it as a JPEG. If you know what you're doing and you want to save it as a PNG, Google Drawing is perfect for that. And last thing I might want to do is I might want to share the document with my instructor or my teacher. Up here in the top right hand corner, I'm going to click on Share. I'm going to make it public. Select Public. I'm going to press Save. Now the URL is automatically highlighted. I'm going to click on Command C. Now I can email this URL to my instructor, or I can also type in the name of my instructor and the email address, and then I share and save it. And you are basically done.